am Panda. I tomorrow call my name, yeah? I am Tiger. Hello. I am Macaw. I am Jack. And what is your name? My name is Squirrel. My name is Pinky Elephant. Yes, brother? What?
এই দেখ না বুঝে সুঝে ঠেলে দিচ্ছিস চাকাগুলো পায়ে লাগলে তখন
I'm so tired, right? Okay. So now why you are standing here? Look at this thing is above us. Right. What is this? Pocket? What is a pocket? I don't know. You? No. Okay, let's open and see what is this. So I would like it. Macaw, you come to me and open this thing. What this thing is? Okay. 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 So I am opening the thing. Yahoo! Okay. Wow, what is this? Oh, this is a letter. Okay? So let's see what is the original thing in the letter. Oh, there is. Oh, a leaf. What is the meaning of leaf? Oh, this is stickers. Right, stickers are there. Okay. And this is the book, but it is written here pocket. Okay? Let's pick up the line. Who will take these things? Okay? Okay. This is my brother. He's walking down the street. Now, Panda, what you need to do? I need you read this paper. What this is meaning? Okay? Okay. So let's see. First is this. Smile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Smile is complete. This is more smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay? See. Laugh. Okay? And this is more laugh. Ha 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 ha. Okay. There is no meaning of the yellow leaf, but is a very nice leaf ever I see. Okay. This is a book pocket, and this is the main letter. Okay, I see. Oh, yeah, you know that I am Charu. Let's see. Hi, Charu. Hi, Charu. Hi, Charu. I am Ladybug. Wow. Thank you for making my app. See what I give you. Oh, and there is a heart. See? Okay? The ladybug gives us the different things. Means this means sticker. This beautiful leaf. And this is the book. So I am Charu. Okay? So see you in the next time. Bye bye. 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 Tata. Bye bye. And see my kunchu. Tata.
এই যে ঠান্ডা পাতা আসছে কোনো দিকে নিশ্চয়ই হলো এই দেখ ওইদিকে